The name's Ulysses, the elf on the shelf. Well, I guess now, former elf on the shelf. Those guys up at North Pole controlling command, including Santa himself, the big man, the jolly one, the ho-ho-ho. Well, he let me go. I guess the newer model can keep a better watch on people. God, I wish I was one of them. Even the guys in the stables are making fun of me. Who do they think they are? They shovel reindeer crap all day. God, I wish there was some way for me to be improved, for me to be better, for me to bring Christmas cheer to everyone.